Welcome back. You got your favorite cord? Chuck it. You got your wire? You're tired of the wire? Chuck it. We're testing today the all-new, eco-friendly, very progressive, everybody loves it, the Un Pixelbook. This is the first time it's on the market. We're going to test it right here today for you. Give us your feedback below. Give us your thoughts. Got the logo marking right here. No chickens were killed in the production of this video or in the making of the Pixelbook or the Un Pixelbook. There it is. Designed by UN in Toronto. Here's the features right there. The simplicity built into this thing is utterly spectacular. So basic, so simple, so amazing. And what is this? Looks like a peel away. Peel, that's a little bit of a teaser. Everything's easier. There we go. What do we have here? We got the entire box. Looking for it. Check that out. No more plug-in for the earphones, just like Apple. Also, no plug-in for batteries, anywhere, on any side. This thing doesn't have any of that. So what's this for? Again, you know, Marie Kondo, want to declutter? Take a look at this. Doesn't fit, also doesn't fit. What do you do with these things? Declutter, declutter.
Declutter.
Here's your simplified life right there. Even we're gonna remove here the box. Just declutter. Simplicity. You're tired of all those letters. Pick your favorites. Wheel of Fortune. These are the ones you gotta pick. Optimist, pessimist. There's an up button. There's no down button. Just keep going up. Accountants. You're tired of the 8. You're tired of the 9. Go up to 7. That's enough. You gotta simplify in life. What do you got here? You're tired of the blue light. Tired of pixels at all. You got here no blue light. No light whatsoever. Easy on the eyes. You're tired of battery life running out. There's no battery at all. Can't plug this puppy in. Works perfectly in any situation, even on the moon. Remove a removable keyboard. Now what do you got? Scientologist, eat your heart out. You've gone clear. Skip all those other steps. Skip the $1 million donations. Just barter for this Pixelbook. It's not a Pixelbook, an Un Pixelbook. For everybody, it's your truth, your way. You're right wing, you want to avoid the mainstream media.
There's no media.
You're left wing, you want your truth. You put anything you want there. There it is. Eco-friendly, it'll last for a while. Your book. Click like, click subscribe, tell us your thoughts. Barter for one today.